Hello everyone, this is an assembly language program to find the square of a number. We have the assembly language program here. The program finds the square of the number 6b in hexadecimal. Load 6bh to the accumulator. Load 6bh to the register B. Multiply A and B, which gives the square of 6b, which is 2cb9. The higher order byte 2c is stored in register B and the lower order byte B9 is stored in accumulator. 2c is stored in memory location 30h. B9 is stored in memory location 31h. The program terminates. Let's go over to Keil and execute the program. Try to execute the program with a different value of data. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.